Howdy, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making a Cajun chicken salad. Let's get into it. Okay, so this one's pretty easy. I got everything out on the counter. It looks like quite a lot, but we should be good to go. We're gonna start by cooking these chicken nuggets. This is gonna be a vegan Cajun chicken salad, like everything on here. There was a lot in the bag, so we're gonna do them all. Because why not? We got our oven set to 375, and we're gonna let those roast away as we get ready for the rest of the salad. These take around, only 11 minutes, so this is gonna be a quick video because we're basically ready to go here. Got some lettuce here. This is a True North blend. Wow, interesting. And I was gonna make this in one big bowl, but instead I'm gonna do it in like the bowls that we're gonna eat in, so that'll be more fun, I think. So we got the lettuce, just use that up. Don't worry, we got more greens here, because that doesn't look like quite a lot. Just evenly divide that up between the two of us. We can recycle that. And then I got some cabbage here, which we're gonna shred very thin. We're just gonna do a little section of cabbage. This is green cabbage, and we're just gonna shred it as thin as we can. So thin that it basically melts in your mouth. Because we're gonna be eating this raw, and raw cabbage can be kind of tough if you get like a big bite. All right, we got our cabbage here. Just a handful of cabbage on each. We're gonna do like kind of pockets of all the ingredients. And then the rest of the salad is gonna be diced avocado, carrot, bell pepper. We're gonna make a dressing out of this cream cheese with a little lime juice, garlic, and then a little bit of this Chipotle barbecue sauce. I don't have any red onions, which I saw online was very common with these salads, but I have green onions, so I'm gonna do that. And then I'm actually gonna toss the chicken in this little Cajun mix that I whipped up. So this pepper is a little old. It has these little black spots here, so just gonna go ahead and cut that right off. Tip and tail the pepper there, make one slice, then you can very easily just kind of cut around the pepper like that, and you got the guts, and you got a pretty clean pepper with minimal work. And I think I'm gonna also slice this really thin as well, same as the cabbage. And this is a yellow pepper, it's just what we have, but a red one or an orange would be really nice here, just for color contrast, you know? So we're gonna go half the pepper right there, and then this half. Okay, and then we're gonna hit it with the carrots, tip and tail. I like to peel the carrots. So I got my compost bowl here and I peel right into the bowl. Makes for an easy cleanup. Peel right into the bowl, no mess. And then we're going to just quarter these carrots and do like quarter moons, I think. And then we got the orange carrot there. Layer that in real nice like that. Layer that in like that. And then we're gonna do the green onion. We got 3 green onions here. And then we'll slice these up real thin like. Then we'll do a little bit of green onion right in the middle there. And then we're gonna get these beans rinsed and drained, and I'll be right back. So I'm just gonna let the beans drip dry there for a minute while I talk about this can opener. This can opener is from when I was growing up. It's really old. I don't know the brand, or actually it says the brand right there. Swing Away. This is the best can opener I've ever seen. We're gonna add in some cheese, a little bit of cheese. This is just a Tex-Mex vegan blend. Just sprinkle that kind of anywhere you like. We're gonna add in some hot peppers here. We do make our own hot peppers, but we're all out, so. Actually, I think I'm gonna roughly chop these. Some pickled jalapenos would be really nice in this as well. We don't have those. So we're just gonna roughly chop them so that everything gets on the fork at one go, you know? We'll do a little pile in the center. Okay, we got our beans here. Quite a lot of beans because beans are good for protein. They're good for fiber. We're gonna check on these chickens, and I might actually sprinkle this seasoning on. Give these a shake. And yeah, we're gonna sprinkle this seasoning on. Give these a shake like this. Back in for a few more minutes. And now we can make the dressing. I'm gonna cut this avocado kind of last thing because I don't want it to go brown. I have some vegan sour cream, 3/4 of a cup. And I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of this because I don't want it to be super brown. I just want the chipotle flavor. We're gonna zest in some lime and some garlic. We got our garlic here. And then we'll go with a pinch of salt, a couple cracks of black pepper. I'm just adding in the lime juice here. That's of 1 whole lime. Use the spoon here and just kind of mix everything together. You didn't have, this is just store-bought vegan sour cream that we have because we had nachos at the in-laws last night. And this was just easier to make a cashew cream or something. You could make a cashew cream, or you could just use like plant-based cream cheese or mayo. And yeah, this looks pretty good. Okay, now we're gonna cut up the avocado. I think I'm gonna do a 1/4 avocado per salad. These avocados are from Costco, which I find to be the best place to get avocados. I've never been to Mexico to look for avocados, but this is the best spot probably in Canada to get avocados. All right, let's check this chicken here. It is made from plants, so it's not like you're not gonna get salmonella or whatever, but you do wanna make sure, because they are frozen, you do wanna make sure that they are cooked. Okay, chicken's done. We're just gonna roughly chop these up. These Impossible Nuggets are really good, but we also really like the brand Jack and Annie. They have a lot of fun products, but their chicken fingers are really good. And they're made from jackfruit, which is really cool. And then I think I'm gonna put these on top of the black beans. There we have it. A Cajun salad in under 10 minutes. Maybe it was a little bit over 10 minutes, but you know what I mean. And just to make it a little bit more fun, I put the dressing in these little ramekins here. Just make it look like you're at a restaurant, because you know, everyone eats with their eyes. But one for me and one for Dino. There you go, folks. We got the Cajun chicken salad in 10 minutes flat. An amazing lunch or dinner you could make for your loved ones this time of year. Chocked full of protein with black beans, vegan chicken. We got bell peppers, carrots, avocado, a creamy chipotle dressing. Super easy, super nourishing. And yeah, let me know if you make it. And I adjusted the video in this one so maybe you can see more of the video. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.